Class 10 exercise 14.3. We are going to find now median. Okay, so you can see the first questions. Okay, before that I'll give you the formula. Median equal to L plus, okay, n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the formula we are going to use to find the median. Okay, so exercise B for exercise 14.3 B1, first question you can see monthly consumption is given and number of consumers given. Okay, and this question here they told to find median, mean and mode, so I'm just finding only median here. Okay, so all the exercise already we find mean and mode in other exercise, so you can try the same model. Okay, so I'll just find out here median now. So we make it 3 boxes. So monthly consumption is given, so you can just write it class here, and frequency, and this is cumulative frequency. So 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, again 185 to 205. So here 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8 and 4. Okay, so here we'll just take here 4. CF, your cumulative frequency of finding. So C for 4 same only, and 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 13 is 22. Okay, plus 20 it's 42, plus 14, so it will be 56. Okay, if we add again 8 here, 64, and the last one 68. Okay, so we got last 68, that is the total one. So what we'll do here, you'll write here n by 2, so 68 by 2. Okay, 68 by 2 is 34. So here is very important one, this 34, this is the important one. So if you take it 34, which one will take from here, you have to check. Okay, so we can see here 4 is here, 9 is here, 22, 42 is here. So 34 means will come after 22, is it? So we have to take here now 42. Okay, so we'll take 42. Suppose for example I'm telling here, if this number is coming 43, so we can't take 42, will come to 56. If suppose this number is 23 or 24, 25, 26, we can't take this one, will come to 42 only. Understood? After 23 to 42 will be 42 only. 43 to 56 will be the same only. Suppose this number is coming 10, we can't take 9, will come to 22, like that. So now 34 means we'll take here 42. So the class is which one? 125 to 145. Frequency is 20. Okay, you should know straightly, this is the class, this is the frequency, and the CF, this is important one. CF means here same 42, and before one is CF, so this one is now CF, and this is frequency. Understood? So we can write on the top this one again here. So the class is 125 to 145. Okay, and that is L is 125, the first one, and frequency is 20, and CF is 22. CF is before one, that is 22. Okay, and H means already we know class size, so the difference 85 minus 65 is 20, so this H is 20. So now we'll apply the formula. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, so L is 125, n by 2 is 34, minus CF is 22, divide by F is 20, even the H also 20. Okay, so 125 plus 34 minus 22 is 12. So we can write again 20, and here this 20 also is here, we can cancel this 20. So 125 plus 12 will be 137. Okay, now question number 2. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the value of x and y. So the class is given, and we are going to find x and y. Okay, median also already given, median. Okay, so here we'll just try the same process like before. We'll write the class first, sorry, the table we'll make first. So the class, frequency and cumulative frequency, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Okay, and frequency is given here 5, x, 20, 15, y, and 5. And we know this total is already given. Okay, this total is given already 60. So that means we can just write straightly, we can write n by 2. N by 2 is 60 total, by 2 is 30. We can write straightly is 30. Okay, and CF will write here 5. So here is 5 plus x, you just write x plus y, or 5 plus x, no problem. Again plus 20, so x plus 20 plus 5, 25, plus 15, so it will be 40, plus y, so x plus y plus 40. Again last one, x plus y plus 45. Okay, so now you can see straightly, we know x plus y plus 45, total is given in the question 60, is it? Total should be 60 will come. Okay, so we can just write it here, x plus y plus 45 equal to 60. So x plus y equal to 60 minus 45, so x plus y equal to 15. Okay, so we'll just make it this first one. And you can see the question, median is given how much? Median is given 28.5. Okay, so now with the class, we are going to take the class now. So the class, we are not going to take this 31. Okay, because here x, y, x plus y, everything is here, we can't take straightly. So how we'll find? So how we'll find means median is 28.5. So if the median is 28.5, surely the class will be between that 20 to 30. Understood? Because 28 will come between 20 and 30. Is it? Suppose this coming is 38, we'll take here 30 and 40 like that. So here 28, so we'll take classes 20 to 30. Okay, and frequency 20. And CF, already told you, CF will be the before one. So before one is this one, this is CF. Okay, and age is already we know 10 minus 0 to 10, 10, 20. So age is 10. So we can apply now. Okay, so we can just already here class is 20 to 30 and frequency 20 and CF is x plus 5 and age is 10. Okay, age is 10 and here L is 20. So median equal to formula L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, and here median already given 28.5, L is 20, n by 2 we know already, that is 30. Is it? 30 already we took in the table 1, and minus CF is x plus 5 and by frequency is 20. And here is very important one is this CF is x plus 5, we need to put bracket. Suppose why I didn't put bracket first, I'm just to showing. If I didn't put this bracket, now see it is 30 plus 5, it's 35 and will come here minus x. Okay, but if we put here this bracket, it will come minus 5, so 30 minus 5 will come 25. So the number will completely will change. Okay, so that's why we need bracket, because x plus 5 two numbers are there, so we have to put bracket lines only. Okay, so now here see 28.5 minus 20 equal to, then here is 30 minus x minus 5 by 20 into 10. So this 0 0 cancel. So 28.5 minus 20 is 8.5. 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x by 2. Now this 2 bring here. Again do 1 no need. So 2 if you bring here, we can multiply. Okay. So if you bring it here, 8.5 into 2 equal to 25 minus x. So 8.5 into 2 is 17 equal to 25 minus x. So minus x bring here plus x, don't bring here minus 17. Just changing the place. Okay. So x equal to 25 minus 17 is 8. So we'll apply in the first one. Already we took first equation, x plus y equal to how much we took? X plus y equal to total how much we got there? So x is 8 plus y equal to 15. Therefore y equal to 15 minus 8, y equal to 7. So therefore the value of x equal to 8 and y equal to 7. Okay. Next one, question number 3. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median. A person having age 18 onwards but less than 60 years. Okay, so here is below 20 is given like that. You can see below 20, below 25 like that, and number of policy holders are given, total is given 100. Okay, and here the thing is below above. Okay, when they give below above, you should know very carefully, this is not a frequency, this is cumulative frequency. Below, above, less than, more than, if they give, this is not a frequency. Frequency means it should be in ascending, descending, like 4, 5, 13, 20. So will be numbers here and there. So means like big number, small number, like that. But here means you can see when they give below above, it will be in ascending order or descending order. You can see 2, 6, 24, 45. So it's in ascending order. So we have to change first to a frequency because this is CF. Understood? Below above means it won't never give frequency. So I will write it now like this. Make the table. So class and the frequency and cumulative frequency, and here is below 20, below 25. So if you write here 15 to 20, okay, and 20 to 25, because they are the difference is coming 5, so I'm taking like that. And they're giving the policies are given only person having 18 years above, but we'll just write 15 and 2 to 20. Okay, and 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 60. Okay, below 60, so sorry, 45 to 50, and 50 to 55, and 55 to 60. And I already told you this is a CF. Straightly is given 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98, and 100. Okay, so straightly will know total is 100, so n by 2, 100 by 2 will be 50. Okay, and now we'll find frequency. So before frequency to cumulative frequency we add, now we'll subtract. So first we'll write same 2 we'll write. Okay, now 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 will be 4. Okay, like that. 24 minus 6, 24 minus 6, how much? We can just write it here like that. 24 minus 6 is 18. Again 45 minus 24. Okay, 45 minus 24, so it will be how much? 21. Again 78 minus 45, 78 minus 45 is how much? 8 minus 5 is 3, 7 minus 4 is 3, 33. Again 89 minus 78, so how much here? 11. Again 92 minus 89 is 3, and this in subtract 6, and this subtract 2. Okay, so now you can see here this is total we got here 50. Is it 50 means which one will take here? CF. 50 means we can take which one? We can't take 45. We'll come to next one 78. Already told you, suppose if come here 46 also cannot take 45. We'll come to next only. If it's 79, we have to come to next one. 79, 80, all will come this one. Okay, so 50 means we'll take here 78. So the class is 35 to 40, frequency is 20, and CF is before one, that is 45. Understood? So therefore what we'll write now here, therefore the class equal to 35 to 40, and L is 35, and frequency 33, and the CF is before one, that is 45, and the age is, the difference is 20 minus 15 is 5. Okay, so now we'll apply the formula and we'll find out the answer. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF. Okay, you write like this. Okay, when after plus you put a straight line here, it will be better, into H. So L is 35, n by 2 is how much is, no, we know how much we got. N by 2, that total we got 100, 100 by 2 we got 50, is it? So n by 2 is 50, and CF is 45, by frequency is 33, into age is 5. Okay, So 35 plus 50 minus 45, so it will be 5 by 33 into 5. So 35 plus 5 is 25 by 33. So 35 plus, now we'll divide these two, okay. 25 divided by 33. So how much will be there? 33. 33, if we take here 8, let me see here, 33 into 5 will be, small number only. I think I'll take here 7. If we take 231, so we'll just take 231. I'll just take it here 7. Then if you subtract 19, so again 33 will be, so cannot take, we'll take 5 only, okay. So 33 into 5, yeah, if you take it again, we'll go here 7, again 5 will go like that. So I'll just make it here 0.7575. Then we can write here 35.035 plus 0.7, we can just make approximately 76, okay. So we can add it 35.76, okay. So the median is 35.76. So that's over for this question. Next, question number 4. The length of 40 leaves of plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter. The data obtained in represent the following table. Find the median length of the leaves, okay. So here you can see 118 to 126, so 127 to 135. So this is not a continuous frequency, okay. We have to make it into continuous. 18 to 26, after that not 26 is coming 27. That's okay. So that's why we need to make it to continuous. So what you have to do here, you subtract 0.5 from the first number and you add 0.5 from the second number, okay. So 118 to 126, so I'll just write it first here. So class, continuous class, frequency, cumulative frequency. So I already told you 118 to 126, again not 126, so it's 127. So we have to make it continuous. So what we'll do, subtract 0.5 from 118. So 118 minus 0.5 is 117.5. Okay, again we will add 0.5, so 126.5. So after that is easy. You can just write it this one, 126.5. Then you write this is 135.5. Again bring here 135.5, 144.5. Again 144.5 to 153.5. Again 153.5 to 162.5. 162.5 to 171.5. Again 171.5 to 180.5. Okay. So only the first one if you subtract, after that second one will add it, and if you do continuous it's okay, no problem, okay. And number of leaves is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. And cumulative frequency 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 29 plus 5 is 34, plus 4 is 38, plus 2 40. Okay, so n by 2, 40 by 2, 40 by 2 is 20. Okay, so that means 20 means we'll take, which one we'll take? 20 means we can take here, we can't take 17, okay, because if suppose if we come 18 also cannot take 17, we'll come to next one. So we'll take the classes 144 to 4.5 to 153.5, and frequency is 12, and CF is before 1, okay. CF is 17, and the age, the class size is 126 to 117. So will be how much here? Will be 9, okay. And therefore L is 144.5, and frequency is 12, and CF is 17, and age is, I told you already, subtract, okay. 126 minus 108, 17, okay. So if you subtract, will come here 9. Okay, you should not take from the question here, okay. If you take here 126 to 1 minus 118 means will come only 8 will come, okay. So we are not taking this one, we are after making continuous only. Now you can see 35 minus 26 will come 9, okay. So now we'll apply the formula. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L is 144.5, n by 2 is 20 minus CF is 17. Okay, by frequency is 12, into H is 9. So 144.5 plus subtract 20 minus 17 is 3. 3 by 12 into 9. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. So 9 by 4. So we'll divide 9 divide by 4. 4 twos are 8, remain 1. 10 4 twos are 8, remain 2, so 5. Okay, so 2.25. So we'll add these two numbers, we'll get answer. So the answer is 146.75. Okay, therefore the median length of the leaves is 146.75. Write it like that. Okay, and now next question number 5. The following tables given the distributions of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. So find the median lifetime of the lamp. Okay, so I just wrote the class here and frequency, and CF will find out here 14 plus 56, 70 plus 60, 7 plus 6 13, so 130. 130 plus 86 is 70, 216 plus 74, so 16, 74, 89, so 290 plus 62 means 352. Then if we add, it will be 400. Okay, so 400 by 2 is 200. Okay, so we got n by 2 is 200. So 200 means which one will take here? 200 means we'll take here 216. Okay, so the class is 3000 to 3500. Frequency is 86 and CF is before 1, so that is CF. Okay, so the class will write here class equal to 3000 to 3500. That means L is 3000 and frequency 86 and CF is 130 and H is, the difference is 1500 to 2000, so the difference is 500. Okay, so now we'll apply the formula and we'll get answer. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So 3000 plus n by 2 is how much is that? That is 200. CF is 130 divided by frequency 86 into 500. So 3000 plus 70 into 500 divided by 86. So 3000 plus 7 5s are 35, then put 3 zeros, divide by 86. Okay, so 3000 plus, if you divide these two and add it, we'll get answer. Okay, so if we divide, is coming 406.976 will go like that. So 3000 plus 406.98 will make approximately, so the answer is 3406.98. okay, so that's over for question number 5. Now question number 6. The 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabet in the surnames was obtained in as follows. Okay, so it's given here number of letters and number of surnames, and they're told to find the median, mean, and also the mode. Okay, so we have to find these three things. Okay, here in this question, so I'll just find out here. First, find out median here. Median, the numbers given. Frequency 630, 40, 16, 4, 4. So 6 plus 30 is 36, plus 30 is 76. It's 92, 96 and 100. Okay, so 100 by 2, it's 50. So 50 means which one will take here? We can't take 36, will come to 76. So frequency L is, therefore the class is 7 to 10. So L is 7. Okay, and frequency is 40 and CF is before 1 will go before, that is CF is 36, and the H is 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, and 7 minus 4 3, so the H is 3. Okay, so now we'll apply the formula and we can get answer. So median equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So here L is 7 plus N by 2 is 50 minus CF is 36 by frequency is 40 into H is 3. Okay, so 7 plus, we'll subtract this 2, it's 14 by 40 into 3. So 7 plus, we can cut here, 7 2s are 22s are, so 7 3s are 21 by 20. Okay, so 7 plus, so 21 divided by 20, so we'll divide it now. So 21 divided 21, also 21, again 1 goes 0, we'll write, and 5 20 is 100, so if you add it 8.05. okay, so the median is 8.05. now we'll find here, next one we'll find out mean. Okay, so mean, find the mean number of the letters. So we can use any method. Okay, you can use a direct method, a step deviation, or assume method. You can do any method. Okay, so I'm going to do that method is step deviation. Okay, so here 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 19. Already I said you can do any method. Okay, so better we'll do step deviation. Okay, so you have to find out the mid value. So mid value already told you, you have to subtract this 2. 4 minus 1 3, 3 divided by 2, 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so 3 divided by 2 will be 1.5. that 1.5 add with all the first number. Okay, so 1 plus 1.5 is 2.5. again 4 plus 1.5 is 5.5. okay, 7 plus 1.5 is 8.5. 10 plus 1.5 is 11.5. 13 plus 1.5 is 14.5. again this one is 17.5. understood now? The mid value is easy way, you just subtract and divide by 2 and that number add with all the first number. Otherwise, you know, one more method is here, you just add it, like 4 plus 1 5, 5 divided by 2 2.5, 7 plus 4 11, 11 by 2 5.5. you can do like this also, but the easy one is this one, 4 you first subtract and divide by 2 and that number you add with all the first number. Okay, and frequency 6, 30, 40, 16, 4 and 4, and we'll take A here, 1 2 1 2, and here also 1 2. so this two number is here, so we'll take the minimum one, small one we'll take, so 8.5 we'll take. So A equal to 8.5. okay, and H already we know, H means 4 minus 1 3. okay, so we can apply here now. Xi is 2.5 minus A is 8.5 divided by 3. okay, so 8 minus 2 is 6. okay, 8 minus 2 is 6, minus 6 divided by 3 is minus 2, so it will be minus 2. okay, again we'll come straightly, you can get minus 1 0 1 2 and 3. okay, we can just take it out. Actually 5.5 minus 8.5 is 3, 3 by 3 is minus 1. okay, and here 8.5 minus 8.5 and this 0 will come straight. Now we'll multiply, 6 2s are minus 12, 13 to 1 is minus 30, 14 to 0 is 0, 16 1s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. okay, so add these two number will be minus 42, and add this 3 number, 16 plus 8 24 and 36. okay, so sigma Fi Ui equal to 36 minus 42, so if you subtract we'll get minus 6. okay, and mean, this total is sigma Fi. Sigma Fi total is how much here? Total is 100. okay, so therefore mean equal to formula A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. okay, so A is 8.5 plus this is minus 6 by sigma Fi is 100 into H is 3. okay, so equal to 8.5 minus 6 3s are 18 divided by 100. okay, so 8.5 minus 18 divided by 100, point will go 2 times, so 0.18. So if you subtract 8.50, 0.18. So if you subtract how much here, 8.32. okay, so 8.32, that's the mean. Now the last one we are going to find mode. Okay, so next mode, mode means we know we'll take maximum frequency. So this is here you can see maximum frequency is 40. So it's 40, that is f1. So the class is 7 to 10. Okay, so mode means maximum frequency. Frequency 40, therefore the class is 7 to 10. That means L is 7, and f0, f1, f2. Okay, before one is f0, the next one is f2. So 30, 40 and 16, f0, f1, f2, and h is already we know 3. Okay, so now we'll apply the formula and we'll get the answer. So mode equal to L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Okay, so L is 7, f1 is 40 minus 30 by 2 into 40 minus 30 minus 16 into h is 3. Okay, so 70 plus 10 into 3 divided by 2 into 40 is 80 minus this to subtract, I added 46. Okay, so 7 plus 10 into 3 is 30 by 80 minus 46, 34. So we can cut, I think we can just divide it straightly, so we'll get 0.88, it will go like that. Okay, so just stop it and add this to 7.88. so therefore the mode is 7.88. okay, and now here question number, last question, question number 7. So the distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of a class, find the median. Okay, so same process of last all the questions we did, 40 to 45. So the size is 5, and you find CF and you find out that median. Okay, so this is the homework, you try yourself. Okay, question number 7. So that's over for this exercise 14.3.